Hi, let us talk about a new interesting fact in Python. Please take a closer look at the Python program and try to guess the output of this. In the first step, we are using double division operator between -5 and 2, and after that we are using double division operator between -5.0 and 2. So, what will be the output of this program? Those of us who are coming from C, C++ or Java background will guess the output of this program as incorrect. But do you know, when you run this program in Python, you will get the output as -3 and -3.0. So the question arises that how is it actually working in Python? Because in Python, the double division operator returns the float value for both the integer and the floating point arguments. This is how double division operator works in Python. Hope you enjoyed the video, and in next video we will discuss another interesting fact.